Mark this point as L. Join IL and TL. After joining IL and TL, your figure looks like a triangle. Label all the measurement in your figure. Now we are going to construct its second diagonal. For construct its second diagonal, as you can see here that length of the second diagonal is 4.5 centimeter. So measure 4.5 centimeter in your compass. Then place tip of your compass at the point L and make an arc in the downward direction. Now you can see here that measurement of IF is 3 centimeter. So again take your ruler, measure 3 centimeter in your compass and place your compass at the point I and make another arc from this point. These two arcs cut each other at a particular point. Mark this point as F. Now join FI, FT and FL. After joining these points, your figure is here and label all the measurement in your diagram. IF is 3 centimeter, LF is 4.5 centimeter and this is the figure LIFT. It is your required quadrilateral. As you all know that in construction there are two parts. First part in which we construct our diagram and in the second part we write the steps of construction. Steps of construction means the steps that we use to construct our diagram. And here are the steps of constructions. Our first step is draw a line segment IT of 4 centimeter. Second step is take I and D as the center and draw an arc of 4 centimeter and 2.5 centimeter respectively. These two arcs cut each other at the point L. Our third step is now take L as the center and draw an arc of 4.5 centimeter in the downward direction. Our fourth step is take I as the center and make an arc of 3 centimeter which cut the previous arc at the point F. And at the last we join all the line segment IL, LT, LF, IF and FT, and LIFT is the required quadrilateral. In this way you can solve its second part. Now I am going to explain its third part. In third part we have to construct our rhombus BEND. Here measurement of BN and ED are given in the question. So first we are going to write all the measurement that are given in the question. So we have measurement of BN is 5.6 centimeter and measurement of DE is 6.5 centimeter. As per the given information, we draw a rough sketch of this rhombus. So rough diagram is BEND in which measurement of BN means one of its diagonal is 5.6 centimeter and other diagonal is 6.5 centimeter. As we all know that rhombus is a four-sided closed figure in which its diagonal cut each other at the right angle and they also bisect each other. Bisect means they divide diagonal in equal part. measurement of this portion is equal to measurement of this portion, and measurement of this portion is equal to measurement of this portion. So as per the given information, we can construct its diagram. First we have to draw one of its diagonal, then we make a perpendicular bisector of this. So first I am going to draw its first diagonal ED of measurement 6.5 centimeter. As you can see here that a line segment ED of measurement 6.5 centimeter. Next step is we have to draw its perpendicular bisector. For drawing its perpendicular bisector, put your tip of your compass at the point D and take more than half distance of 6.5 centimeter. So here is not So there is no fixed measurement. You have to take this this portion as per your guess, but take care of this that this portion is more than half. So I put my compass at the point D and take this portion half of 6.5 centimeter, as you can see here, and make an arc on the upward direction. Without disturbing my compass, I make similar arc or make another arc of similar measurement in the downward direction. Without disturbing your compass, put the tip of your compass at the point E and make another arc in the both direction, which cut your previous arcs to distinct point. Join these 2 points. Here is your figure looks like. Now you have to draw its second diagonal, whose measurement is 5.6 centimeter. 5.6 centimeter is the measurement of whole diagonal. So first we calculate half of this diagonal, and half of 5.6 is 2.8. 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are 16. So 2.8 is the half of the measurement of the second diagonal. Now take your ruler and measure 2.8 in your compass. 2.8 in your compass. Take tip of your compass at the intersection and the point of intersection and make arc on the both direction, which cut the perpendicular line in the 2 distinct point. Label these point as B and N, as given in your diagram, B and N. Now join all the points BE, EN, ND, DB. After joining all the points, your figure is look like BEND. It is a rhombus in which 4 of its sides are equal and 2 diagonals of different measurement, 5.6 and 6.5 centimeter. Now second part of this question is a step of construction. A step of construction are the steps that we use to draw this figure. So write steps of construction by yourself that I did in previous question. Hello everyone. In our last video we had discussed some basic points that are related to lines and angles, and after that we discussed about the related angle that are 5 in number. So now in this video we will going to start our exercise 5.1, and first question of 5.1 is find the complement of each of the following angles, and some angles are given here. So as we discussed in our previous video that complement means the angle that we have to add our given angle so that their sum become 90 degree. So as you can see here that in first part given angle is 20 degree. Now how much we add to this angle so that this become 90 degree.